In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get weapons in Jujutsu Chronicles. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find the cursed tools or cursed weapons shop and how to acquire them. I'm gonna show you the requirements and how to get here. So this is the location where you can see a bunch of weapons inside. You will recognize all of these. So first, I'm gonna reset my character to show you how you can get here. I'm doing this process on a private server, but of course you don't have to. So first, spawn in Jujutsu High. Once you go over to Jujutsu High, go forward and turn to the left. You will be able to find this exit right by the dummies that just sit here, where you will be able to see a lot of people training. So go to this exit towards the mountains, and then instead of going forward towards the forest, you need to turn to the right and you will see this ramp on the mountains. So climb up this ramp, keep climbing, you will have to climb 2 sets of ramps, and finally you will arrive at the cursed tool shop. You can take a look around. As you can see, it is very detailed. They have all the blacksmithing equipment here, how they make the tools and so on, and you can have a nice view of Jujutsu High in the city. But regardless, once you go inside, you will be able to recognize all of these. Now, you will be able to see how much they cost and the requirements for your grades. So as you can see, you have Nanami's Cleaver, Yuta's Katana, Maki's Wrapped Spear, Megumi's Blade, Kusakabe's Katana, Maki's Spear, Meomel Axis, Slaughter Demon, and finally the Inverted Spear of Heaven. As you can clearly notice, when you go over to any of these weapons, you will see the price displayed in coins and the grade that you need. So you need to meet both of these requirements. You can clearly notice that I am a newbie, so I won't be able to acquire any of these weapons. I apologize. I really wanted to showcase any of these, but because I just started playing and I'm doing this process to teach you how to acquire them, I won't be able to showcase them in use. But the first one, or the cheapest one that you can get, is the Slaughter Demon for 25,000 coins and by acquiring grade 4. And once you get these requirements, just hold the specified button on any of these weapons, and if you meet them, you will be able to acquire the weapons. You can then equip them in your inventory over here under the weapons in your menu. I hope I was able to help you on how to get weapons in Jujutsu Chronicles. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.